Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Dell 22 series monitor, and now I'm gonna show you how to change your color interface from RGB to the another mode on this device. Firstly, you need to press on one of these navigation buttons, then click Settings, then choose Color here and click on the right arrow, then scroll down using down arrow and right arrow to choose it, and here you can change the color interface. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.